Hi, I wasn't sure if I was going to make this video to show this drawing because I'm not sure how good it is, to be honest, because it's supposed to be like big drops of water or rain on lined paper. I've copied it from one of the artists I'm subscribed to, which is called Jonathan Harris. If you check out his channel, you can see how good it looks compared to mine, but I did try. So what you do for these type of drawings is you draw the drops first, and then carefully do all the lines, avoiding the center parts of the drops, and then you sort of fill in the middle parts by joining the lines together, but putting like a roundish shape to show that it's the water effect, making the lines look like that. That's the idea anyway. I don't know if it looks okay. On his video he sort of tilts it that way. I'm not sure which angle it looks the best at. Is it that way or that way? Anyway, once you draw the drops, then you lightly shade them all in like that, and use a slightly darker pencil for the edges, like that. And you get your eraser and a highlight where the light is shining. Use a bit of tissue to blend in the pencil. So like I say, if you want to check out Jonathan Harris's video, he does lots of drawings like this, sort of illusion type drawings. Let's go down a bit. I think he looks okay though, it's not too bad. It's not hard to do if you want to give it a go. I think from above it doesn't look so good. I don't know. What do you think? Maybe it's best like that. That way maybe. Anyway. It didn't take long to do. It took the most time it took just to do all the lines. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.